Hi, I'm Abhishek Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, you will learn how you can get community top voice badge on LinkedIn. And now you can see that my top voice badge related to lead generation. And I am also writing an article about community top voice so you totally understand. And there is are different reasons why top community badge is important. For example, increase visibility and credibility and expand networking opportunities. And third is enhance engagements and reach and different more benefits of top voice badge. I will try my best to attach this article in description so you totally understand. And please also keep in mind LinkedIn offer two types of badges. One is blue color and other is a golden color. And golden color badge is called Community Top Voice Badge. The golden Community Top Voice Badge is awarded to members who are noteworthy contribution in a specific skill, their participation and collaborative article. So now I want to show you how you can get this badge. So first of all, you just need to click on your browser and just write here the linkedin.com.polls topics/home, and I will also attach this link in description so you will totally understand. And now you can see that here is a different types of article. You can select these topics according to your requirement. And for example, and when you will scroll down this page and different more topics are available, so you can search these topics according to your skills. And now I want to show you so you totally understand. And for example, in my skills different topics are available, and now I want to show you so you totally understand about this. And a marketing automation tool, email marketing, accounting, and now different things are available. And I get the top badge from lead generation, and now you can see that. What you need to do, you just need to add skills according to your expertise, and then you just need to open these topics and select topics according to your expertise. For example, my expertise is lead generation, and different topics are available. You can use according to your requirement. For example, I am just selecting here the lead generation, and after this different articles and different posts are available, so you just need to click the post, and after this you just need to start contribution. And here is how you can mitigate the potential risk of poor decision making in lead generation. So this is your expertise. Here you just need to click on start contribution, and from here you can start contribution according to the material. You just need to continue this process for 3 or 4 or 5 days. Normally in 1 week you will get a top badge. Now I want to show you again. And now you can see that this is a top community voice badge, and people have a different question about this, so I will explore one by one so you totally understand. How to earn community top voice badge? The answer is very simple. Share your expertise and experience in specific skills by contributing collaborative articles on LinkedIn. You just need to like and comments on collaborative articles, so in this way you will get top page. And different more questions. Engagements and interaction. Your contribution should engage the LinkedIn community. High engagements. If you will like and comments on more articles, and there is a great chance you will get a top page. And different people ask me about maintenance of top level page. So active period is 60 days from the date you on this page. And different people ask me how you can retain this page. The formula is simple. You just need to like and comments on collaborative articles, so in this way you can retain this page. And page display profile visibility. This page will appear on your LinkedIn profile and next to your conversation article. And can you get a multiply badges? For example, if I get one badge in a lead generation and other badge in marketing, email marketing, yes, you can get multiply badges, but you can only show one badge on your LinkedIn profile. So hope you understand how to get LinkedIn top voice badge. So if you have a more question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.